Clarendon Massacre suspect Steve "Fly Brain" Smith shot dead by security forces amid nationwide outcry. Steve "Fly Brain" Smith, suspect in Clarendon Massacre, shot dead by security forces as Jamaica reels from the brutal Cherry Tree Lane killings. The manhunt for Steve Smith, also known by his aliases Thicker and Fly Brain, has come to a fatal end. Smith, one of the prime suspects in the horrific Cherry Tree Lane massacre in Four Paths, Clarendon, was shot and killed by security forces on Wednesday. This tragic event, which left 8 people dead and 9 others injured, has sent shockwaves throughout the nation. Smith was not just any criminal, he was a notorious figure in Clarendon and beyond. According to a joint media release from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, and the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, Smith was believed to be involved in several contract-related killings and other serious crimes across multiple parishes. His death marks the end of a criminal career that has left a trail of devastation. On the day of the incident, members of the JCF's Fugitive Apprehension Team and the Clarendon Operational Support Team, OST, acted on intelligence that led them to a location in Osborne's Store, Clarendon, not far from the scene of Sunday's gruesome attacks. Their mission was to apprehend Smith and other suspects linked to the mass killing. Upon arrival, the situation quickly escalated into a violent confrontation, during which Smith was shot. He was rushed to the May Pen Hospital but was later pronounced dead. The shooting incident has been reported to the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, ensuring that the actions of the security forces are thoroughly examined. The Cherry Tree Lane massacre, which claimed the lives of 8 innocent victims, including a 7-year-old boy from Four Paths Primary School and 3 women, has left the community and the entire nation in mourning. The brutality of the attack has prompted swift action from the government, which declared a state of emergency, SOE, in Clarendon on Wednesday to prevent any further violence and reprisals. As the investigation continues, 5 men have already been detained in connection with the brutal attack, and the security forces remain on high alert to bring any remaining perpetrators to justice. The team at 876newsja.com is committed to keeping you updated on this developing story. We extend our deepest condolences to the families affected by this senseless violence. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for continuous updates on this developing story and more as we follow the latest in this shocking series of events. As always, we thank you for choosing us as your trusted news source.